Ang ating kwento ngayong araw ay tungkol sa Maya and the Lost Kitten. Ang mga mag-aaral or mga learners ay nasahan na maging participative sa ating klase at kanilang maisabuhay ang kanilang mga lesson na matutunan sa ating kwento ngayong araw. Good morning, class! How are you today? Excited na ba kayo sa ating kwento ngayong araw? Ayan, lahat po naghihiyawan at sobrang saya sa sobrang excited. The title of our story today is about the Mia and the Lost Kitten. Ano nga uli ang title ng ating story ngayong araw? Ayan, Mia and the Lost Kitten. So, ayun na nga po at tayo po ay magsisimula na. Kaway-kaway naman po dyan sa lahat ng excited na makinig sa kwento natin ngayong araw. Maya and the Lost Kitten. One sunny afternoon, Maya was walking home from school. She was carrying her backpack and thinking about playing outside. Suddenly, she heard a soft meow, meow, meow coming from behind a big tree. Maya stopped and looked around. She walked over to the tree and saw a tiny kitten hiding in the bushes. The kitten was very small with gray fur and big, scared eyes. It looked lost and hungry. Oh, you poor little kitten, Maya said kindly. She reached out her hand and slowly saw the kitten would not be afraid. The kitten snapped her hand and then rubbed against it softly. Maya took off her jacket and wrapped the kitten gently inside. She wanted to help it feel warm and safe. Maya knew the kitten needed food and water. She carefully carried the kitten all the way home. When they got there, Maya gave the kitten some warm milk. The kitten drank it quickly and purred happily. Maya made a soft bed from old towel and put it near the sunny window. The kitten cared and looked comfortable for the first time in a long while. Maya thought, I hope I can find the kitten's family. She asked her parents if they could keep the kitten until they found its home. They said yes. The next day, Maya made a poster with picture of the kitten and put them around the neighborhood. She even asked her neighbors if they had lost a kitten. A few days later, a lady came to Maya's house. Is this my kitten, Bella? She asked. Bella, the kitten jumped into the lady's arms and purred. Maya smiled and felt happy. She had helped the lost kitten find its way home. That night, Maya dreamed about Bella and all other fun adventures they have together. Nagustuhan niyo ba ang kwento natin ngayong araw? 5 palakpak naman po dyan sa mga... Ang lahat po ay nagsipalakpakan po. Ngayon, meron po akong tanong sa inyo about sa story na ating tinalakay. Ngayon, what is the moral lesson of the story? Okay, very good. Mapag-alaga, maging responsable, at mapag-unawa. Okay. Maya and the Lost Kitten teaches us to be kind, responsible, and caring, especially in helping those in need, no? Napaka-importante po, no, ang ginawa ni Mea kasi po kung hindi po niya inaalagaan at kinuha yung pusa na maliit na nawawala mula sa kanyang tunay na may-ari, baka po mawawala ng tuluyan yung pusa. At buti na lang po ay may magandang puso at pakay si Mea, kinuha niya ang pusa, inalagaan niya at binalik sa may-ari. Kaya that is why kung tayo man po mga bata, no, kung maka-encounter tayo ng ganong senaryo or mga senaryo na iba man, gagawin po natin kung ano po ang importante, kung ano po ang tama. That is why na sa ating kwento, kailangan po natin na matutunan ang magiging responsable, mapag-alaga at pagka-matulungin. At ngayon po ay magtatanong sa inyo, ano ang pamagat ng ating kwento? No? Ano po ba yung title ng ating story na binasa ngayong araw? Okay, very good. Ang pamagat ay Mea and the Lost Kitten. At ngayon, ano ang pangalan sa pusa na nakita ni Mea na inaalagaan niya? Anybody from the class? Okay, very good. Ang pangalan ng pusa na nakita at inalagaan ni Mea ay si Bella. Bella po ang pangalan ng pusa na inalagaan ni Mea. Kaya nagustuhan nyo ang kwento natin ngayong araw, ako po muli ay magkukwento sa inyo sa susunod na mga araw. Gusto nyo ba or hindi na? Ayan, ang daming may gusto at lahat po ay sumang-ayon. Paalam mga bata, maraming salamat po sa pakikinig. See you next meeting.